Do you ever feel like you're stuck in a vocabulary rut? Like you're using the same basic English words over and over? If you want to start using more interesting and advanced words, try these 4 tips. Tip No. 1. Stop memorizing random word lists. Instead, learn words in context. For example, read a book or an article and take note of any new words you come across. Write down the word, its definition, and an example sentence. This is a much more effective and engaging way to learn new words. No. 2. Get all 4 of your core language skills involved. Read something in English every day. Listen to a podcast or audiobook while you're doing chores or driving. Write down any new words you hear. Then use those words in your own sentences. This active practice will help you solidify the words in your memory. Number 3. Keep a vocabulary notebook. This could be a physical notebook or a digital one on your phone or computer. Write down any new words you learn along with their definition and an example sentence. This is a great way to track your progress and review words you've learned. Number 4. Use a flashcard app that uses spaced repetition. A great app to use is Anki or Memrise. These apps use algorithms to show you words you're about to forget. This is a super efficient way to learn new words.